Hi, I want to make this super quick video and share with you one struggle that I had while traveling. You couldn't ask for better workspace. Minus, of course, music and people staring at me. I was on a plane flying from Berlin to New York. Probably as the majority of people, I realized that I don't have any AI on my laptop. And I was like, that's weird. I was reading the whole Stanford Index report, and I would have loved to use AI and have AI companion by my side. Now I'm about to board to fly back to Berlin, and I got myself an open source AI model on my Mac. And don't worry, back in the day, I had open source models on my Windows machine. I used terminal and Python code, and I had to go through all the coding stuff, which was not too bad, to be honest. We have AI to help that, but there's now way easier ways to do that. And I want to share with you this LM Studio. It already has majority or the most popular models available to you. So basically what you do, I downloaded Llama 3, a billion instruct model. You can search all the different models by their popularity and how many likes they have on a Hugging Face. By the way, if you don't know Hugging Face, it is a platform where most of the models are hosted. It's probably already crossed 500,000 of AI models. So you can find a lot of different models and download them. You can see which ones are compatible with your machine and how big they are and what are the RAM requirements. Once you downloaded one of the models, you have to load the model. So what you do, you go to the chat and at the top you select a model to load. I loaded my Meta Llama model. Once it's ready, you just chat with it. You can also play with the system prompt. You have all the parameters available to you down to GPU setting. And the fun thing is that you can both prompt it in plain text, Markdown, and monospec. I use very often Markdown for my prompting. For example, if I go to the chat, I already have Llama model preloaded and I can create the system prompt myself, or I can use the one predefined. So let's say we keep the current one. And what I'm going to do is turn off Wi-Fi. And we are going to say, hello, Llama. So here you go, the model is loaded and now on the plane, then there is no internet, unfortunately. To have AI companion, which is completely open source and locally hosted on my Mac. If you have any questions about open source or hosting local models or LM Studio, let me know in the comments below and I will happily make more videos going more into different features and details. See you in the next video.